right, y'all, let's check out this amazing t-shirt. This is the newly made Carjacked for Assassins Training Day t-shirt. Look at how cool the characters look, man. The new version of the Carjacked for Assassins characters. Man, let's get a close-up and look at these amazing characters right here. Look, the heroes, the Carjacks. Man, this is next level printing right here, man. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Look at this. This is what the characters look like now, man. There is an evolution in the growth of the characters. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. All the villains right there. Look at the assassins right there. And look at the side of the t-shirt right there. Let's get a good look. Let's check out the back of the t-shirt. You know what I mean? Look at this. This is next level stuff, y'all. T-shirt, all we do over here is make cool gear. Look at this. Look at this t-shirt, y'all. Carjacked for Assassins Training Day t-shirt, man. You got to go get your pair today. InsideVision.com. Man, look at this amazing thing, y'all. Carjacked for Assassins, y'all, like I said, Training Day t-shirt. Get yours today. Stay safe, y'all. Peace.